Okay.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Maddy's Trashies. Today at Target they're selling Series 4 and I'm going to show you this 5-pack I got at Target today. Come on guys, let's open it up. And here's the first one, a pie. I want the pie. I want the pie. I want the pie.
Hang on, Maddy's got the bread here on Santa.
Line them back up the front here just so everyone can see.
I know. Here's Mr. Pie.
Alright, put him down.
It's the first Series 4 I've ever saw. Awesome! I want to pay. Here's a car.
Wow.
Oh, this is a really good one. Mr. Rocking Horse.
Wow. They're getting good, aren't they?
I want to pay.
Yeah, you can play. Just watch. Let Maddy go first.
I want to pay. I want to pay. That one's a really funny one.
You want
Pay! And this is Mr. Freehand Piece. It's tiny.
Oh my gosh, look at him. Alright, put him down. He's the smallest Trashie I've ever seen in my life. Wow, what is he?
I don't know.
He's tiny.
This one's so funny. Look at this, guys.
He's a bit like Mr. Onion Head, isn't he?
Now let's look let's look at this. I want the pie. Awesome.
Yeah,
Let's see what Mr. Tiny had in. I want the pie. And it's in yellow bin.
Wow.
Yellow bin. And Mr. Pie
Yep.
is in Mr. Pie. Mr. Pie.
How about we find out later?
Okay, we're finding out later, guys. Bye, everyone. See you on my other trashy videos.
So this was series what again? I forgot.
Series 4, this was.
Cool, Vickies.